Hello there, let's build you up to being able to do the full shoulder roll. Now, there's a few stages that I like to do here. So one, we just need to get used to swinging the mace behind us and that pendulum effect. And can you go to the point where we can make contact with the back of the shoulder? Not hit, just gradually, gently place onto the shoulder. So as the mace comes up, push the arm down and we connect. And you can keep an eye on it, just at the corner of your eye, where the mace is. And then the next step is to bring the mace up and have a forward lean. Now the mace is primed to drop. What you're going to do is release your opposite hand and catch. And then we can go again. So, up onto the shoulder, lean forward, roll and catch. And over time, what you can do is lean a little bit less and then keep going. So we can go round, a little bit more upright, drop the mace. Eventually, once you get to being fully upright, we do have to have a little bit of a push on the mace handle. So let's show you again. We go round, and what we want to do is push the mace handle out to instigate that roll and catch. And we're primed, ready for the next movement. Have fun with the build up to the shoulder roll, take it in stages. I'll see you soon.